Hi, it's April 25th. Stock market is down. We're in the heart of earnings season. Some big tech is reporting tonight, so we're going to quickly get over to that Longbow dashboard so we can give you the data. Today, I filled out a tab with a few things. First, the SPY, so S&P 500. So you can kind of see where that's at. We're still in the middle of the range. It's neutral, bullish short-term, bullish medium-term. So watch that. It's heading down because right now I can see NASDAQ's down over 1.11, and then you've got S&P down, call it 83 bips. But tech, so tech's getting a little hit hard today. XLK, QQQ, those two ETFs oversold. Interestingly, the XLK neutral short-term, bullish medium-term. The Qs are bullish, both short-term and medium-term. So if you're thinking about tech, right, it was just technical, not fundamental, you obviously would think about adding here. But what do we know? We know that we've got big tech earnings coming up. So maybe somebody knows something that you don't know. So keep that in mind. Of people reporting, let's see, we're getting a refresh here. But let's take a look at some of the biggies, right? So Microsoft oversold, Meta oversold. Let's take a look. Google's neutral, kind of the middle of our range. We're going to head up to other companies here. So Amazon, middle of the range. Apple, middle of the range. PayPal, hugging that bottom end of the trading range. And then I threw in a non-tech business here. The HYG is the high yield ETF. And so it looks like people have been taking on risk, right? So if you're invested in high yield, that's what you do. So this was getting to be almost an overbought position. So we would be careful there because it means that people have been a little bit complacent. Yeah, maybe they're taking some money off the table with Meta and Microsoft here. But we also have implied volatility premium. So people are concerned they're paying up for protection. So net, if you had a fundamental case, you would obviously want to see premium, bullish, oversold here like Meta. Again, if you had a fundamental case to be getting into it, that's what you would want to see because people are betting against it. The trend is upward. It's oversold from a technical perspective, but you got to know the fundamentals. That's a little bit different from Microsoft, which is similar, but it's neutral on a short-term basis, but still pretty good. That's different from here. Alphabet, it's bearish on a medium term. So even though it's in the middle of the trading range, so you wouldn't be doing anything from a technical standpoint, bullish, bearish, and then neutral, implied volatility, kind of nothing land at 8%. It's not really a premium. It's not really a discount. So you'd be wary of doing anything right now unless you have a fundamental view that you need to trade before they report earnings. That's it for your tech check today, and we'll see you back tomorrow.